Dear students, today we are going to study about uh, the concepts of management. In this, we are going to discuss about the management concept of management. In this, we are talking about the fourth point, which was remaining, which is called management as a system of authority. System of authority is like the management is always the system of authority, because it is a matter of fact that if for getting things done, manager at each level require proper authority. Every superior delegates authority to its subordinates, and every manager in turn becomes liable to his superior for getting things done. Thus, a chain of authority and responsibility is created between the superior and subordinates across all the level of the organization. So consequently, superior assumes as a position and power to give orders and get them executed. So this results into a system of authority or hierarchy of command in the organization. The next concept is management as a discipline. The term management is also used to signify an academic discipline or a field of learning. Though it is relatively Although it is a relatively a young field of learning, but it is regarded as an important academic discipline. A large number of scholars and practitioners, they are working hard to enrich and refine the knowledge in the field of management. So all these facts are evident of the existence of this discipline. Next is the management as a career. The term management is also used to signify a career or an occupation devoted to managing the activities of organization. Any person when joins a position in which he is responsible for getting things done through others, he is said to be in the management career or occupation. So the field of management is providing challenging and rewarding career opportunities all world over. As a career or occupation, management is a broader concept. So it includes career opportunities in general management as well as the functional area of management. So marketing, finance, production, marketing, finance, production, purchasing, personal management is all are the parts of the management of a business organization. But it should also be noted that management is a tough and demanding occupation. Nevertheless, it can be a rewarding occupation for those who can develop necessary skills and that they are ready to work sincerely for long hours. Management concept is also a verb. The term management is also used as a verb or an activity. In the sense, management means what managers do for accomplishing the objectives efficiently and effectively. Management practitioners, they are writers also. They therefore defines in the term that what they saw, perceived, conceived and experienced the activities of managers for accomplishing the objectives. But unfortunately, most of the practitioners and writers perceived or conceived the activities of managers from their own angle. Consequently, no two concepts of management they are identical, or no single definition of managing is universally acceptable. Therefore, we can say that many management practitioners or writers conceived and perceived the activities of management from their own angle. As a result, there are many concepts in terms of management as a verb, like management is an art for doing things in the best and cheaper way, or productivity or scientific management concept. Scientific management concept says that uh, this concept says that management is known as the productivity concept of management. Means it is an art of knowing what you want to do and then see that it is done in the best and cheapest way. The basic assumption behind this concept is that there is one best way for doing things, a thing done. Second point of the verb is Second point of management of a verb is also called as management as an art and science, getting things done through others. Peter Drucker say that management concept always stresses the importance of organization, teamwork, delegation of authority, and coordination for achieving the objectives. So this concept also recognizes that managers skillfully apply scientific knowledge in their doing job for getting things done. Management is also as a process of function or functional concept. Henry Fayol is the uh, person who developed the functional concept of management. He said that management is a process of interrelated functions, which is called planning, organizing, directing, controlling, and etc. So every manager accomplishes the objectives of their organization by following this process. So with this process, a manager ensures the utilization of resources effectively and efficiently for accomplishing the task. He also advocates the concept, believe that management function can best be performed by following principle of management, and they also believe that principles of management are universal and it can also be applied in all managerial functions, and it can be applied everywhere in our life. Fourth point of management as a verb will be called as a is the management as a development of people. This concept is termed as the management or human oriented concepts. This concept is based on the premise that management can achieve its objectives efficiently through the development of the people or employees in an organization. The, the author says that management is personal administration. They stressed that managers must develop their subordinates through better education and training. They must understand and satisfy the physiological, psychological, and social needs of their subordinates in order to motivate and develop a sense of belongingness. So, moreover, they must also develop an environment in which every employee can find an opportunity to maximize his contribution to the achievement of organizational goal. Next point is called management as a leadership. There are many experts who view management as a function of leadership. He states that management is the function of executive leadership anywhere. According to this concept, managers manage through leadership. Next point is management as a decision making. There are some experts who view management as a decision making activity. They believe whatever a manager does through decision making, they whatever he does, it is always go through the decision making. He states that while planning, organizing, coordinating, motivating, and directing, manager has to make decisions successfully for managers, and it is always largely depends upon the quality of their decisions.